let's talk about how to duplicate a track inside Logic Pro X. Super fast, super simple. All you need is a track already loaded up. So there's really only kind of two ways to go about this. You can hover up here to this button that says new track, right, with the duplicate setting. So you'll see that there was my original, there's the new one, and here's another view. It did bring over all the plugins that were on the first one, right? Another way to do it, I'll just undo that real quick, is to press Command D. So you just learn a quick little shortcut there. I think it's a little faster, that's how I always do it, but you press Command D and you'll get the same thing. There's a duplicate track. You'll also notice all the plugins came along. There's the other view. And if that's not exactly what you're looking for, you're like, well, I want all this to come along too. Whatever audio you have or MIDI that you tracked on there, pretty simple. You just click on the original track so it highlights everything. Then just hold down Option, click on your mouse, drag it all down. There it is. Now I really do have a duplicate, right? All the settings plus what was ever on that track as well. So if that was helpful, throw me a thumbs up. If you have any more questions, of course, let me know in the comments. I'll try to help you out. Take it easy.